What is one thing that every shop should know about the CMMC journey? It's too late to start, so you better have started yesterday. If you have any doubts, you need to be on that journey now.
My name's Tamia Franco. I have a company down in Roanoke, Virginia called Global Metal Finishing.
Bob Ellithorpe, I'm the CEO for Consolidated Machining Tools, CMT.
Carla Mathiasen. I work for American Flexible Products in Chaska, Minnesota. We've been on the CMMC journey for about a year now.
We've just gone through level 1. We paid an outside source to come in.
We're still in the early days, so we're going through the audits to see what our current state is, outlining all the things that we need to do to increase the cybersecurity of the business.
We contemplated, we already had government work, and we had to decide, do we want to go all in CMMC, ITAR, AS9100, or back out? And supporting our military aerospace defense is something very important to us. There really was no second guessing. We knew that we were going to go all in and just better our company.
I mean, I saw it coming 4 years ago. You know, there was talk, and not a whole lot of action. But when they talk, you know it's going to become real.
One of the reasons that I made the decision to take paperless parts from being used by 2 of our divisions to all of our divisions is the secure environment. It's helping us with that cybersecurity journey so we can meet the CMMC requirements.
Paperless parts being CMMC, ITAR compliant would have been a deal breaker. Had they not had the ability to have these certifications required, we couldn't have went with it.
It gives us the ability to share technical data in a secure environment, real time, across divisions, in different states where we've got to transmit data.
It's a big package, guys. You're not just buying paperless parts. You're buying their whole investment. You get a little piece of it, and it is so worth it to know that you are secure and you are following the rules, baby.
Starting the CMMC journey, be ready to take a couple of steps back, a few steps forward, a couple of steps back, a few steps forward. It's not something that is going to happen overnight, but it's worth it not only for CMMC to work with DoD, but also the compliance that we're going after for CMMC with the government is going to be beneficial to everybody. It's going to mean that your information is secure, that we have the protection to hopefully not be attacked by any type of hackers, and the attention to quality and detail, just everything comes into play, just being better for our customers.
You've got to be sure that you're working in a secure environment. So get started.